Okay, these closets now tricked out really nice. He's going to hang some doors on it. Like I said, the customer wanted to leave this stuff in the closet, so we're going to put a divider and some shelf and pole. That's all he wants, and it's going to look kind of janky, but again, it's behind the doors, and no one's ever going to see it but him and his wife. So I'm going to show you how to put these dividers in. Really simple. And first you take a cleat, bingo, put it on the ground, put it on the top. So I'm actually going to do a double panel here to make it more stiff. So I put the first one in and put the screws in before I cover it over. You'll see the second one goes over it. You won't see any fasteners. Okay, so you get your shelf in there, and you got to have a cleat all the way because the rosette's got to be on here. So, and then this side you can double this one up like I said, but so you fasten it from this side, then this panel goes over it. Voila, you'll never see these screws. So that's a little trick to hide those things. So putting these cleats up, of course, you got to find a stud right there, but there's no stud over here, and the rosette's going to go out here. So we're going to try an anchor, just like you would any other item, like a towel bar or something, where it doesn't hit a stud. And let's see how this works. First, you mark the board, pre-drill it, see? Then you pinhole a mark on the wall. Put this kind in. I like this little. Oh, it's really blurry. These wall grabbers. Put that dude in there. It only works in drywall, it doesn't work in plaster. So one of the big issues here with this double panel here, I didn't glue it or anything. So I'm going to screw it together, but I don't want a bunch of screws in here, so I'm going to stick a screw behind the rosette. I already did one here. Can't see it back in there? Maybe you can. See? It's hidden. You want the least amount. There's going to be one or two here and there, but you're not going to notice it when the clothes are in here. So we'll put one right behind this rosette here, and one behind this rosette. Bingo! It'll help tighten that together. Boom! Nice and tight. And then everybody will think I'm a genius. So if you'll notice, this one here has a shelf, obviously, place to put things. But these, when you have for shirts only or folded clothes, there's no room for a shelf. There's no point in putting a shelf here because of the hanging above it. So that's how you do it. And anybody tells you different, they're out of here. Alright, now you remember we had all that glass in here. And it looked like you were walking through the closet. But look at this beautiful wardrobe now. We put the cabinet doors on. The old customer now, he's stuck with that old you know, cedar stuff, and the designer, she's having nightmares, but she'll get over it. And we left it in there, but we said we got to cover it up. So we got the doors on there, looking beautiful. Look at that, big, huge doors. Now it's a beautiful closet. So the closet project is done once you get your doors. A little crown up there too, because you know those designers, they got to have crown. Anyway, that's the end of the deal for the closet.